Factory, we got some sugar stuff, we got some candy.
All right, go!
Hailey, remember we ate dinner?
Let's go.
You don't want to see it. It's the hill. You want to go sliding on that, Hailey? Why not?
Knox this way. Candy. Kate, look. Come on.
Coming, buddy? Gotta go to our room.
And then you can press the button. Yeah, the button. He likes pressing the button. Here we go!
Max, bring your suitcase.
Yeah.
Whoa, are you gonna jump on the bed?
Want to jump on the bed? Jump!
Okay, turn the air up all the way, turn the TV on. Hi guys,
Bye.
we're at Keylime Cove. Brought to you live by Hailey O'Brien.
Bye, naked baby.
Happy birthday! Oh, cool.
Look above. Look.
I want to swim through that.
There's no fish.
That would be awesome.
You would want to swim.
I don't get it. Where's the
It's Hailey's 11th birthday. Happy birthday to the birthday girl.
in my mouth?
This?
Yeah. Go ahead, open it.
Let's go!
I thought I grabbed everything from her.
Another cute outfit. That looks like the one you wore today.
It's a cute outfit. This dressing.
It is.
I thought I'd get cute for you.
Watch it by the...
Isn't that funny? Do you get it? Believe in yourself. But it's a selfie.
Yeah.
Daddy didn't like it. But he didn't get it.
I didn't get it.
Thank you, Dad.
Say love you, Hailey.
I have to scan. Scan, because it's locked. Watch. Look! Max, look!
This isn't gonna work at me.
Good job!
Ooh, lots of kid in there.
Wait!
What? I know what it is!
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
What is it? Say it.
Apple Watch.
Yep. He's perfectly fine, thanks. Good job, buddy. I'm getting one.
Make sure you're holding on to the tube too.
Oh man, I thought we were gonna go over.